Hi, I'm Mrs. S with Owltree Montessori, and we are kicking off our Plane Geometry course. First, let's take a look at what materials are available to teach plane geometry and help you decide which materials fit your child's needs, your shelf space, and your budget. Alison's Montessori has a few choices for materials that teach plane geometry. Plane geometry refers to two-dimensional shapes, length and width, with one plane. The traditional Montessori material to teach plane geometry is the geometry cabinet. The geometry cabinet, or geometric cabinet, has 6 drawers with 35 shapes inset within frames. Alison offers a premium line and a value line. This is their premium geometry cabinet, and it sells for around $500. Alison's value line geometry cabinet sells for around $200. The suggested age range we can see here is from 3 to 12 years old. The 3 to 6 age group will use this material sensorially, removing the inset shapes from their frames, tracing the shapes with their fingers, and matching the shapes back into their frames, much like a puzzle. They will also learn the basic names for the shapes. The 6 to 9 age group will use this material to learn the names and attributes of all the shapes. This includes work with sides, angles, and vocabulary. The 9 to 12 age group will use this material to continue learning the names and attributes of the shapes and also to learn area. This versatile material grows with children's learning needs from preschool to upper elementary. These pictures allow us to take a closer look at the shapes that are in each drawer. This is the polygon drawer. It has the pentagon all the way to the decagon. This is the rectangle drawer, and you can see that each base lengthens as you move to the square. This drawer includes different triangles with different angles, different sides, and also this quadrilateral here. This is the circle drawer, and it offers different diameters in increasing centimeters. This is the quadrilateral drawer with a couple of triangles. This is the curved figure drawer, and it includes the chevron. Nienhuis Montessori also sells a geometry cabinet for around $500. This is ETC Montessori, and they have the geometric insets. This is not the full cabinet. This is just the insets that you can buy to fill the cabinet purchased separately. This right here is the demonstration tray, which is the first introductory lesson you would give to a preschooler. This has just the triangle, the circle, and the square. And then these are the other 6 drawers with 35 shapes. The price for just the insets here is $248. If we look here, this is the cabinet that you would purchase to put the insets inside of. It works for their botany materials as well as the geometry, and it is $225. So together, those are about $478. Call it $500. It's really the same price as the other 2 companies. Another 2 options from Amazon. We have this set from Adena Montessori and this set from Elite Montessori, both companies which I have ordered from and been very happy with products I've received. Adena sells theirs for $169 and Elite sells theirs for $179. I will leave my affiliate link in the description for both of these products. Last but not least, Alison's Montessori offers this geometry cabinet shape puzzle. This is the option I chose to buy for my young homeschooling children, and it's worked really nicely for us. It will depend on your needs and your price point. It includes 24 shapes, so it does not have all 35 shapes. What it is missing is all the 6 circles of increasing diameter. Here in this puzzle, you just get 1 circle. It also does not include the chevron And it does not include all of the rectangles with lengthening bases. The last thing it's missing is the kite, the quadrilateral kite. This puzzle is around $80. So that could be another option for you if you feel that the cabinet is more expensive than you want to pay right now, or you don't have room in your classroom or your homeschool. That wraps up our introduction to 2 Montessori materials used to teach plane geometry, the geometry cabinet and the geometry cabinet shape puzzle. We compared several geometry cabinets from different companies and looked at the geometry cabinet shape puzzle. Hopefully, this helps you make an informed decision on what materials best suit your students' needs and that will fit your budget. I will leave links for all the materials in the description. Join me for the next video in this Montessori Plane Geometry course, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Montessori lesson videos.